Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Google Scholar advanced search option, and this option is very amazing and provide you detailed demonstration how to exactly use advanced search in Google Scholar and improve your literature survey. So let's start the demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google, enter here Google Scholar, click here. I already create one video how to use Google Scholar. Today I give you demonstration how to use advanced search in Google Scholar. So this is a Google Scholar page. You click here 3 lines and here advanced search options come. So look at this advanced search option, which types of article you want search in specific word, extract phrase or at least one word without the word. Accordingly you can search here, otherwise you can type here some scholar name or professor or university name, and accordingly you search this option. Accordingly you search this research article and just like return a date between like a 2000 to 2005, 2001 to 2020. Accordingly all research article come as a year wise. That one is amazing. Suppose for example I type here natural language processing and I printed here 2015 to 2020 and then search. So this research article comes in between 5 years like 2015, 2019, 2017, 18. Such kind of research article come. This features is very important for the literature survey. You are belonging research field, so definitely you are doing one research article, and this research article name is literature survey, and sometimes you are working past 10 years, past 5 years, past 20 years. So this feature is very important for the researcher, advanced feature. So suppose for example advanced feature, this one option is this, you can use those features. I just type here author name, just like I am typing here Sangram Singh Kaitain. I can find out the research article using author name. Here simply I type here my name Sangram Singh Kaitain, search how many paper I exactly write in my past research career. So all research article are come here using these features. I am typing specific author name, and this author name how many publications are published he or she. Accordingly all research article are displayed here, and then you can find out this research article which year he published or she published. Accordingly download this research article, add it your literature survey and improve your research. It's amazing features of Google Scholar in advanced search. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.